Life on the road, waking up to the sunrise, enjoying a coffee with the morning dew tickling your toes and driving for hours with nothing but nature all around you. Conjuring up nostalgic memories of old-time Americana and singing your favorite songs around the campfire, guitar in hand, an RV-based holiday is definitely a memorable one. Even those who wouldn't typically consider a camping trailer for their next trip are now reconsidering, thanks to the rise in high-tech, seriously luxurious camping trailers akin to stylish apartments, but with the benefit of having wheels attached. Storyteller Overland Mode. We went around and around on picking an all-wheel drive van camper. There are excellent choices from Sportsmobile, Outside Van, Winnebago, and a host of others. But we're giving the nod to the mode by Alabama's Storyteller Overland. We really dig the depth of features and space-saving luxuries packed this 19-foot utilitarian sprinter. It's got a rugged aluminum roof rack and ladder system, a quality Volta lithium/solar energy management system with a powerful 3,600-watt inverter that can even run the rooftop AC. In addition to the galley with fridge, stove, and microwave, there's really cool indoor hot/cold shower that disappears into the overhead cabinetry, and the rear cooler/shower bin can even double as a small bathtub. A combo retractable bed gear garage occupies the back, and to sleep, and seat, 4, the mode has a Transformers-worthy front-facing middle seat/bed. It's super strong, shoulder-belted, and adjustable into several reclining modes for kicking back and watching TV or the sunset. At Overland Atlas. We really dig at Overland's Atlas. First off, unlike familiar, VW Westfalia-inspired, wedge-shaped roof topper tents, the Atlas pops straight up, delivering 6 feet, 10 inches of interior stand-up height when deployed in the bed of your pickup or Jeep Gladiator. With over 100 pounds of roof cargo capacity and gas-filled struts to assist lifting, you can also raise it with stand-up paddleboards, kayaks, or bikes on the roof. The 360-pound Atlas is well insulated and features bear spotting, zippered windows on all 4 tent walls and a queen-size fold-out bed. Unlike many other pickup truck camping options, the Atlas can be closed to seal you in completely, way better for making breakfast or dinner in a raging storm. Kimbo 6. With so many slide-in options out there, selecting just one was another tough call. But we're smitten with the Kimbo Camper, which fits 6-foot and larger pickup beds, again for its utility and wealth of features at a super low price. Starting on the outside, its tough, riveted aluminum body is reminiscent of a geodesic dome. Under that skin, the camper carries thin but effective R5 insulation sandwiched between more brushed aluminum and a condensation-stopping interior fabric along the walls and ceilings. Condensation buildup and subsequent water damage is a bane of small campers. The windows are double-paned and screened. Inside the cozy interior, you'll find 6 feet, 5 inches of headroom, a pair of sofas, and a big over-cab bed, 54 by 75 inches. Kimbo designed the $15,000 camper, which comes standard with 120-volt, shore power, inputs, a Yeti 400 solar setup, and a propane tank cubby, to be highly modular. You can affordably customize it to your own needs. Add-ons range from a water heater to a kitchen with a sink and a desk/work nook. We're highly impressed with the retractable projector screen, and projector, propane fireplace, and a simple recess for an inexpensive, 120-volt window unit air conditioner. You can even install an interior fold-out shower. Oh, and it weighs only around 1,000 pounds, no problem for any midsize pickup. Northwood Arctic Fox 990. If we like the Kimbo for its small size and myriad features, we like Northwood slide-out equipped, 17-foot-long Arctic Fox 990 for the astonishing living and storage space it slides onto the back of a full-size pickup truck. Not only does this 3,000-pound base camp feature a full stand-up wet bath, no mean feat for a slide-in, it comfortably sleeps up to 5 with its queen-size over-cab bed and slide-out/dinette double. There's a fold-down bunk, too. Insulated water tanks deliver non-pipe bursting cold weather boondocking, while solar panels keep the fridge and computers charged. It's even ready for an optional 2.5 kilowatt Onan propane generator. You'll need a big, dually-sized pickup, preferably with stability control, to bear this beast, but every luxury you might need is right over your shoulder. Tiger Adventure Vehicles Provence Bengal. Tiger Adventure Vehicles first made its appearance back in the early 90s with a funky but iconic pop-up camper based on a cutaway Chevy Astro van. It was small, fully equipped, and, importantly, could even be had in all-wheel drive. Since then, this South Carolina-based company has been turning out affordable, feature-heavy, safe, and off-road capable small Class C campers. The Tiger is a permanent add-on camper shell that replaces the truck bed on any Ford F-350, Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD or Ram 3500 truck chassis. Pickup truck-based Class Cs are among the safest RVs for front passengers because, while driving, you're encased in a stock vehicle's sturdy cab among its many airbags. And then while camping, you simply have more room in back than with a pickup truck slide-in. This is especially true for kids should you opt for a quad cab model with 4 seats. Because Tiger does away with the pickup bed entirely, the Tiger has a much lower center of gravity and more floor room than a typical slide-in camper. Plus, the pickup cab is cut away in back, creating a passageway for easy movement from cab to camper. Opus OP2 and OP4. The Opus inflatable camper is a truly ingenious rig. Outwardly, it doesn't look all that different from the many off-road pop-up campers that have come to market over the last few years. But when you open it up and flip a switch, a pump automatically inflates a series of very sturdy tubes, which erect in 90 seconds to form the frame of a remarkably spacious and storm-proof 20 square foot, 8 foot plus tall living area. No really, check out this video of an Opus being sprayed with a fire hose. The inflated camper offers tons of light thanks to zip-down shades and clear plastic windows. The larger OP4 model sleeps up to 6 people, while the smaller OP2 sleeps 4. The OP4 weighs 3,970 pounds, and with its burly off-road independent trailing arm suspension, you can load another 1,000 pounds onto the trailer alone. For off-roading at tough angles, we dig its fully articulating hitch, trailer brakes, and over a foot of ground clearance. The OP4 comes with a full interior kitchen, while the 2 features an outside setup with a 4-burner range and sink, but even that kitchen can be completely enclosed within an add-on inflatable annex. Airstream Flying Cloud. Germany has Westfalia. The U.S. has Airstream. The iconic company has been in business for nearly 100 years, and there's a reason: its design and quality. Take its uber versatile Flying Cloud line. Available in lengths from 23 to 30 feet, the Flying Cloud can be built out in any one of 16 floor plans that sleep from 4 to 8. Airstreams are a bit pricier than similarly sized campers, but you're paying for a light but tough riveted aluminum shell, beautifully crafted plexiglass window protectors, hand-hewn interior woodwork, and durability born of nearly a century of trial and error. This model includes dimmable LED lighting and a trademark Dometic AC system that's whisper quiet, and available with a propane-saving heat pump option. Discreet but great features include completely sealed wheel bearings, self-adjusting brakes, and a torsion axle suspension that makes the trailer handle crosswinds and sudden maneuvers much more predictably. If you enjoyed this video, kindly press the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe with notifications on, so that you don't miss out on videos like this. Thank you for watching.